familiar?
No, and I've never heard of these songs.
What? They were written by the famous George M. Cohan. He was a very famous composer back in the early 1900s.
Never heard of it.
So, you're probably not from 1906. Do you remember anything else before you blacked out?
Well, it was loud. Really, really loud.
Loud, huh? I think I got it. We're going back